Hello everyone, we are here today at Airdrie Dodge Jeep, home of the $10,000 giveaway. What does that mean? Well, with any vehicle purchase, you're going to be entered into our monthly draw that month for your chance to win $10,000. Now back to the star of the show, we have this beautiful 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan. This happens to be the Canada Value Package. Under the hood, you're going to find the legendary 3.6-liter V6 Pentastar engine paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. It is shown in the very pretty and easy to maintain billet metallic color, and down below you'll be riding on 17-inch wheels. This has been fully safetied and inspected and has a clean CARFAX. We're going to take you through it quickly, but if you have any additional questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Helping you in, you do get this factory key with your unlock, lock, and panic button. Tires are in excellent condition, and as we head on inside, you'll notice a beautiful two-tone interior, power mirrors, power windows in your first row, and power locks, plenty of storage in the door, and beautiful premium cloth throughout. On your steering wheel, you have cruise control options to your right, to your left, dash selection, and then behind my fingers there you do have audio mounted controls allowing you to change the station source and volume. Headlight options to the left, 34,741 kilometers on here currently, and then you have a large menu of information you can scroll through. Shifter up and out of the way, nice clean dash, AM, FM capability for your radio options. You also have auxiliary, and then you do have a backup camera before we move down. That is in your rear view mirror, so that's a nice safety feature there. And then as we move down from there, you have your dual zone climate controls, both your driver and passenger, traction control, a pull-out drawer with 2 cup holders, and a couple of different compartments. You also have 2 12-volt ports, nice large space in the middle. I'll give you a quick pan through on the passenger side. Everything is in excellent condition throughout here. Locking glove compartment down below, additional space above that, vanity mirror, built-in mirror to keep an eye on any back passengers, as well as sunglass storage. As we head into the second row, we are entering through here on the passenger side. So this second row here does hold 2 seats. It does not stow and go, but the bench is removable. However, now you have all of this space for added storage. Into the third row, you have an additional 3 seats. So very comfortable, still very convenient. And as we head into the back, because these seats do stow down into the ground, you have a nice deep cargo space back here. So all your groceries aren't going to roll around, they'll just be held in that compartment. And then these do stow down very easily. You just pull the straps in order, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and just like that, they're down into the ground. When all of the seats are removed, I'm told you can fit a 4x8 sheet of plywood back here. So overall, as you can see, this is a very that was a very quick tour. This is a beautiful van though. If you have any questions or just want to get it on the road for a test drive, we'd love to give you a hand with any of that. Our information is at the end of this video. We'd like to thank you for watching and hope to see you soon.